think today I'm experiencing some slow in the internet. Uh, I think this is the one.
Installed from here on. We downloaded the link from this site.
I think you did the same thing, right?
Yes,
It's 2008 R2 SP2 Express Edition.
we did 2014. Page number 2014.
Okay, 2014 is the latest version, right? So I think
Yeah.
I've shown you the 2008 version. I don't know why the studio is not coming for you guys. Studio isn't coming, right? The management studio through which you can log in.
Yeah. Mm.
So would you like to try the 2008? Doesn't
Yeah, I
matter.
will try to.
Doesn't matter. Okay, whether it's 2008 or 2014. Try working with this, and you have the screen. You know the procedure. I mean, I've already shared. Okay,
Yeah.
it's the same thing. Just when the screen comes about the user authentication. Okay, you don't choose the Windows authentication. Choose the mixed mode
Okay.
authentication. Okay,
Yeah.
rest everything is same. So everything is same.
Okay.
Okay. Now, coming back to the single row functions and the functions parts, as we are discussing the functions part, okay, I have come across this, uh, with Toad. I think you're working with a Toad now, right? Are you able to
I
work
mean, we
with?
already installed Toad.
Okay, are you able to work with Toad? Okay,
I
let's
mean, we
try.
didn't try it on Toad, but we
Okay,
installed it.
so let's see what exactly you're doing on Toad. Let's see you're able
Mm.
to connect to the uh, database, as you did with the SQL developer, right?
Mm.
So
Yeah.
should I make you the presenter, Sonia?
Yeah.
So your parents, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, and let's see your brother. Okay. You have downloaded 12.7, right?
Yeah.
It's a big one. Oh my goodness. This is very creaky voice.
Yeah. We
Okay.
got a point.
12 project is there, but you have to connect to the database. So click on the plus symbol.
No, we haven't connected.
Yeah, you have to connect to the plus symbol. Just check
One
there is
second.
one more screen for the toad. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. Now,
Email is
yeah, try with sys.
okay.
Okay. And okay, I think I see that you have not installed the Oracle client. Have you installed the Oracle client?
Oracle client,
Yeah.
like we haven't, I think.
Yeah. So this requires the Oracle client for the
Yeah, I
total.
mean, we tried to connect this, but it's not showing the database. That's why we
Exactly.
didn't.
Exactly. So it
Yeah.
requires the Oracle client before you. And the
Okay.
Oracle clients will give you will actually feed in the database space, and they try to install the ODBC driver that will that will make the connectivity between a database. Okay, just like it did for the SQL developer. So
Okay.
Oracle Home Client Home version. So
Okay.
can you show me the folder where you have downloaded the softwares?
Okay. Folder.
Yeah. Have you installed the client?
No, no, I think.
Okay, unzip this, unzip. Okay, click on setup.
This one?
Yeah, right click. First, you have to unzip this. Maybe you have to unzip
How
this.
can we install this thing? I mean, how will be the icon for this?
Actually, there will not be any icon.
This is the
First,
one, right?
unzip. Yeah, unzip this. Unzip because it's
Okay.
in a zip format. Yeah, extract. Starting with mentions for could not be created. Why? Where are you in the F? Do we have enough space in the F?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, I think as it unzip now. So
I'll put on desktop and I'll.
okay, and it's doing.
Oracle Universal Installer. ఇక్కడ లేదు చేస్తున్నాను.
So what are the examples that you have done? Can you show me?
Like we tried on different commands.
Mhm. Very good.
Like I created two tables and I tried inserting, deleting,
Mhm.
updating the table and all those commands for
Okay.
this table.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah. Do you want me to show all those things?
No, no, it sounds pretty confident, so I don't have to. You don't have to show.
Yeah, but we tried for seven.
Yeah, you're sounding very confident. So that's, I mean, yeah.
Okay.
So,
And we even checked in this SQL Developer.
uh-huh.
We have these tables.
Mhm.
Mm. Mm.
Okay. So let's start from,
like I created these two tables and I tried joining and inserting and deleting, updating, and all those things.
okay.
Yeah.
Joining in the sense, we haven't done the joining.
Like, I mean, I tried. I mean, looking at in the site, like I tried those commands even, like inner
Okay.
join.
Inner join, outer join, self join.
Yeah, but I'm not. I mean, clear. But I just tried using the command. That's it.
Okay, okay, very good. Very
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
So, okay. So we were discussing about the functions, right? We had different functions that we
Mm.
saw since yesterday. Okay, we have single row functions. Okay,
Mm.
uh, and we have conversion functions and the group
Yeah,
function.
upper and lower.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So even I try to get some more examples for you guys, which I will show you here. Okay,
Okay.
from the a very good source.
Mm.
Okay, and I have converted that to a script. Okay,
Okay.
right.
Mm.
And the
Mm.
documents which I have shared with you, that should
Mm.
also be helpful, and it's actually the same thing. Okay,
Mm.
same thing.
Okay.
So go here,
Mm.
go to this, open this website. I wanted to work,
Mm. On those examples.
on those examples,
Okay.
and I will show you how to convert them with the script. We will try with
Mm.
SQL Developer. Usually I work on Toad, so I would also suggest you to work on Toad.
Okay.
But I believe you have installed the 12 version, the one version I suggest you to, because this latest version will expire after 30 days.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
if you have downloaded the version 10, then it will be a long-lasting solution where you don't have to put the trial key or something. Okay. For and you don't have to download the code again. Why is this so? Are you on the speakers? It's better to have a headphone set.
Yeah, it's good now.
Mm. Okay. Meanwhile, it's unzipped. What we'll do is
Okay.
like I will share my screen. Okay.
Okay.
Let me know when it's unzipped, and we'll continue from you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the website that I'm talking about. Okay. Tutorialspoint.com. I've already sent you the link. Okay. So we'll start with the single row functions.
Okay.
Single row functions. Okay. I have converted this to a script. You can just simply copy and paste in the tool. And you can save these files in a SQL format. You see here in the SQL format. Okay. So I have saved these files on. Okay. This one. So this will be like the scripts. Okay. So you can open the same file from the tool, or else maybe you can also open from the SQL developer. All right. So
Yeah.
let's see the example that we have seen yesterday. Right. Uh, okay. So it has given some examples. We have seen uppercase, lowercase, initial capital letter, concatenation, length, substring, instinct, alpha, alpha. Okay, so all this has been given more with examples like this. Okay, you see here? This will be helpful for you to understand in a more better way. So let's see. Yes, see here. Okay. Now, before you go connect to tool, you have to make sure that your HR schema, okay, there is an inbuilt HR schema is there. Okay? SQL command line, and then you have to connect HR/HR. Okay, it should tell you connected. So let me know. Can you try this and let me know that you are connected to the HR schema? So if I say show user, it should say HR. And if I say select from tab, it should give me the default table. This will be created. This is the default schema. It is also known as sample schema, which can be installed okay, on your database, and it is provided by the Oracle Corporation.
The account is logged in. So.
Okay, so you have to unlock that account. Okay, so
Yeah.
I'll help you out. Let me make you a presenter. All right, so the account is unlocked. So alter user, alter user type,
Audit.
yeah, alter, ALTER, not audit.
Okay. Okay.
Alter user space HR space account space unlock
Semicolon.
semicolon and hit enter.
Not
Okay, it says not connected. So you have to connect the Oracle again. So connect /s sysdba.
okay.
Connect. You have to be, your user should be, no, it's a name. Go back, /as. Okay, as a sysdba.
Hmm.
Okay, here you go. And you don't have to put the semicolon when you are when you are writing the connect command. Okay,
User. Okay.
okay. Now you say show user.
Okay. I don't need to alter that.
You can do that. Yeah, you have to make sure that you are connected via sys user.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, anyways, now you can trigger the same command, alter the command. Yeah, do that. So now you see, yeah, that account is unlocked. That account was locked. Okay, so you have just now unlocked the account. So now you try to connect. Okay, was saying the username password is login denied. Maybe you have to change the password for this account. Okay,
Okay.
so login again as a sysdba, connect as a sysdba again. All right, very good. Now say alter user HR space. No, don't type account. Go back.
Okay.
HR identified by space HR semicolon.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
User.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now you try to log in
Try to log in.
to the HR schema. There you are. So now say show user. Very good. Now select star from tab. Okay, so you have the client. Double click on it. Yeah, right click on the setup and run as an administrator. So I think tomorrow will not be any class, right? Tomorrow is a Sunday for you, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Tomorrow is a Sunday for you and tomorrow is a Sunday for us also. And, yep. So meanwhile, say here on the command prompt, select start from tab. Select start from tab. Good. So these are the default tables. Okay, then yes, say yes. Default tables. Okay, click next by choosing the instant client. Yeah. Do you want to
Next.
install this client on this location? E?
Yeah. Desktop.
Yeah. Okay.
Finish.
Yeah, click on finish, yes.
చేసిన తర్వాత పోవాలి.
All right, so these are the tables. By default, it will create. So you can list the tables. You can say select star from countries, select star from departments, select star from employees. Okay. You can see the data inside these tables. You can also connect via SQL Developer to look the data more attractive, more sophisticated. So try to connect via SQL Developer. Okay, the client is successful one. Very good. Close, hit to close. Wonderful. Now open the Toad. Hopefully you will have the database all in here. Okay, okay. What you do is okay, try sys. Okay, try some password here and try the database XC. Can you type in there? XC. Okay, and all right, connect. So, connect. No, it's not connected. Okay, now uninstall the Toad and reinstall it. Uninstall the Toad and reinstall it. Have you downloaded the 10 version 10?
Oracle
No, no,
or this?
10, Toad 10.
Yeah, you shared this link, so we installed this thing.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you do uninstall the 10, the 12 version, and reinstall it. I think you should have that now. It's asking us to close the Toad if it is
Yeah.
open. So in real time, you may use SQL Developer, or you can use the tool.
So,
Okay.
okay.
Can you start the SQL Developer? You know, are you able to work on uTorrent? Are you able to download the soft? Are you able to download the softwares from the uTorrent?
I
Torrent.
just did the told one, but it is asking for the licenses and all. Yeah. I mean, we tried to connect it this even, but it didn't connect it. I don't know why.
No, we
We are
have.
getting it.
Yeah, I think we tried. Yes, we tried.
Sorry?
We did the demonstration for connection. Don't close this. Don't close. Okay. Don't close. Don't close. Don't close this. You click on the plus sign. Okay. Yeah. Write some connection name that Somia connection like this. Somia connection. Okay. Give a database name HR.
Okay.
Username as an HR, and the password is HR. Okay. And the save a password. Click on save password. Okay. And see, the connection time should be basic. If the user would have been a sys user, okay, in place of a HR, then in the role you would select sysdba, and in the role you would
Okay.
select as a sysdba. Sysdba is a privilege. Okay. However, the HR is only a normal user,
Mm.
so you don't choose any role there. So now connect.
Okay.
Now connect.
I
See,
just did it.
yeah.
See, I'm getting this error if I'm trying to connect this.
Okay, this way we can choose the mission the following. It is not currently known as a. Okay. Let's see. Okay, go to the search bar. Go to the search
Okay.
bar and type Oracle XC, Oracle
Okay.
XC or Oracle FX.
Okay.
But for me, it's got connected.
Laptop got connected, but I don't know why.
Yeah, generally it will see there is something called listener on that will work on the database side. Okay, if the listener is not started, okay, then you will face these problems. Any errors related to the database will have a starting point Ora 12505. Okay, it will start like Ora. The Oracle errors, all the Oracle errors start with ORA, and it will
Yes.
pronounce as a Ora, Ora.
Okay.
So
Can I try by using my name, like my schema?
you can try, but the thing is there is a connection problem here. It's not
Yeah.
the it's not the uh, you know the problem with your user. You know, with the HR or a sys. Okay, even try connecting via sys, which is the super user. You will have the same problem,
Okay.
right? Or one more thing is like you have to connect with a user for which you have installed the database.
Okay.
Okay, say for example, so which user you log in Somia. Okay, you're logging into
Yeah.
Somia. Okay,
Mm.
but you have installed the Oracle database via Lavania, for example, on the same PC.
Okay.
Okay, and you're logged in as a Somia and trying to connect to database via Somia, it will not connect. Okay,
Okay.
understand?
Mhm.
For example, you have administrator account. With the administrator account, you have installed the Oracle database. Okay,
Mm.
and the Somia is not an administrator. Say for example, and you're trying to connect to the database via Soumya, which is not an administrator account,
Okay.
then you will face some problems. You have to connect to the with the same user through which you have installed the database. So is it the case which I'm telling you?
Um, I
You
mean,
said Lavanya has got success, right?
yes,
So
yes, yes.
is Lavanya is working on the same account on this on the PC? Are you working on the same same PC, Lavanya?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you're working on the same PC, then it must be in a different account, right?
Sorry.
No. If you have installed the database on the same PC, same laptop, then you must have installed in a different account.
No, no, it's the same one. The same thing.
It's the same laptop with a different account.
No, it's a same laptop, same account.
It's the same laptop with the same account.
Yeah.
But you say you got a success, right?
Yeah.
So if it is with the same laptop with the same account, then as we are seeing now, there is we are unable to connect to the database.
Oh, but for me, it's got connected.
Okay. Can you show me how? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Uh,
I'm unable to see your screen, guys.
yeah. I mean,
Actually, just give me the permission to share my screen.
Okay. Who? Okay. Soumya has given you a permission to share your screen. How are you guys connecting? Are you on two different laptops or is it on the one laptop?
Get two different laptops.
Okay, so two different laptops. So, okay.
but the voice is from only one because we are getting an echo from two different.
Okay, so you're both sitting together and on two different laptops.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fine. And okay, so that means it should be working with you. It should be working with you. What I was asking you,
Mm-hmm.
like as Soumya is connected to her laptop. So I thought
Yeah.
Lavanya logged into the Soumya's laptop and
No, no.
Two
she
different
will install the
We
database.
have
And okay, I
laptops.
actually thought in that way.
Okay.
So I was wondering, if the Lavanya got success, then why not Soumya? So if the Lavanya is an administrator, okay, then Soumya is not an administrator, then she will not be able to connect to the
Connect.
database, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, there must be some services might have to be started, okay, for the Oracle XC. If that particular services are not started, which is the like for example TNS listener is not started, then you'll face the problems. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Since the now the Lavanya you want to show how you are getting connected, Lavanya, or shall I continue with the Sonia?
Just continue with her.
Okay. So, Sonia, can you share your screen, please?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, open the run command. Open the run command.
Yeah.
Run window. RUN run. Type RUN. Ask me anything.
Okay.
Okay. So now here type services.msc. Services.msc.
Okay.
Okay. .msc. M as in Mike. S as in Sonia, C as in cat. And SC. Okay, click OK. Click OK. Okay, wonderful. Now search for something called Oracle. Type O. Put your cursor in the these services screen and type O.
Yeah.
Okay. See, check for the Oracle XE listener. Okay, the PNS listener.
This one.
Yeah, this one. Okay. Double click on it.
Click.
Double click on it. Okay, it says it's running, but you know they have some problems. So stop. Click on the stop.
And start.
Yeah. Start the listener. Click OK. Okay, Oracle XE agent. You have something agent there. Okay, double click on it. Start this and make this automatic public. Make this automatic. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Okay. Wonderful. And Oracle XE.
This one.
Oracle. Yeah. Try to enable that. Double click on it.
Auto.
Automatic. Yeah. Stop and start the services.
Windows was unable to query. Has
So
been
there are more
broken.
connection on local computer unit. Okay. Click apply.
I'm unable to start.
Yeah. So there could be some dependencies. Okay. You know, before you make any changes to this service. So
Okay.
click on the dependencies. Click on the dependencies there on the top tab. The dependencies tab is there.
No
So
dependent.
anyways, not bother this. Click
Okay.
click cancel. Click cancel.
Can I click on this one?
Yeah. Click OK. Okay. Click OK. Click on cancel.
Okay.
Click cancel. Alright. So now do this thing for me. Oracle Service XE.
Hmm?
Oracle Service XE. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, this one.
Double.
Double click on it. Stop and start. See, the process is first you have to install the database. Okay.
Hmm?
Then you
Hmm.
have to install the client, and then you have to install the tool.
Okay.
This is the method. And for the SQL developer also, after installing the database, then you have to install the Oracle SQL Developer.
Okay.
So you might have missed these steps in the hierarchy of this. That's when you're facing this problem. And sometimes, you know, a quick restart would do. Okay.
Okay. Should I click OK?
Yeah. Click OK. So what we did just now is we have just now stopped and started the database. Okay. There are the separate icons shall be available for the starting and stopping the database. Okay, Oracle service. In the search, if you type uh, Oracle XC or Oracle FX, something like that, you shall be able to do that. Okay, now try to connect to the Toad or via SQL Developer and see if you are able to test the connection. Okay, it's the same.
Same.
Okay, still the same. Okay, type SID as an ORCL.
I tried,
OR.
but yeah. Yeah.
Okay, the count is locked. It says the count is locked. So, okay, okay, try Sonia. Yeah. Okay, the invalid username file. Okay, try with sys username of the sys, and the password would be what is the password that you have given? Admin.
Yeah.
Try now.
Correct, right?
Yeah, sys. Yes. Correct. Try now.
Yeah.
Okay. So you now you are connected to the database.
Yeah.
Okay. Now click on the plus symbol now. Might be you have installed more than one database, Soumya, on your computer. Okay. Click on plus symbol. Click on plus symbol.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here on the right side, on the right side,
Yeah.
here in the page, the query builder. The query builder.
Yeah, here you can write queries and all those
Yeah.
things.
So say type here. Select space. Not from start. Select. I would like to check the name of the database. Select name
Yeah.
from space v dollar database.
Sorry?
V as in Victor.
Okay.
V as in Victor. Dollar.
Okay. We dollar
Yeah. V dollar
database.
database.
That's it?
Yeah. Semicolon enter. Or press F5 maybe. Press F5 or play.
Okay.
So actually, you are perfectly connecting to the database ORCL. That means you have two databases installed on your laptop and you are unable to connect to the XT database.
Okay.
You got my point? So
Yeah.
you might have installed the Windows version, the enterprise edition of database on Windows. And what I have suggested, you have also installed that, the Oracle XC.
Okay.
So this is what happened. Now here also you
ORCL even before, but I think I didn't change that default one.
yeah, you can, but it doesn't matter, okay, whether you are connected to the ORCL or you are connected to the XC, doesn't matter.
No.
As far as our job is done. Okay. So
Okay.
now you have to unlock the HR account as you did with the same thing.
Yeah. Then in here.
Yeah, you can do it here. No, no, you can also do it in SQL Developer. You can do it. Try that.
Okay.
See, again, in the black screen means here, if you type the same command, select name from Vidolon database, you are connected to the XC database, not to the ORCL database.
Okay.
Okay. Try this name, try this command, select name from VDollar database.
Okay.
Select name from VDollar database, type in there.
Select that query.
Yeah, type in select name from VDollar database.
Here it is showing XE.
Yeah. So what
But
does it
for me,
mean?
it's executed.
Yeah, it means you have two different databases. Okay, XE and the ORCL. Okay.
Hmm.
All right. Okay. Uh, Now, say for example, you want to connect to the XE database. Okay. Let's
Excuse me.
yeah.
Yeah, for me, that query is not getting executed.
Which
Select
one?
name from eDollar database. It's Lavanya.
Yeah, the one. Yeah. I think you should be a sys user. Okay. Connect slash sysdb. Connect slash sysdba. Okay. You have to make sure that you have to be a sys user.
Okay.
Soumya, in the SQL developer say show user. In the SQL developer say show user. Yeah. Execute this.
1 second, my laptop got stuck. This is
Says okay. If you are a sys user, then this query will work.
okay. Yes.
Okay, my friend.
Yeah, it's clear.
It's clear. So now Soumya, try to connect to the XE database. Click on the plus symbol.
Okay.
Click on the plus symbol. Okay, now the connection name you can give something called Soumya 2 or something. Yeah, whatever. And then try
Using sys, right?
sys, yeah, and give the admin and roll through the sys DBA, XC, by, no, this time by XC. So there is some problem with your database XC. Maybe try to uninstall the XC, okay? XC and reinstall it. I hope that will work for you. Because you are unable to connect. Now open the tool. Open the tool.
Oh, I have to install the code one.
Oh, okay. Uh, Again, reinstall the tool again.
Yeah, 1 second. DB కూడా connect అయ్యింది.
So you guys are staying in the mess over there? You have a hostel?
Yeah, they gave apartment for us.
Okay, very good. Is it provided by the university or from
No,
the?
it's consultancy people will provide the accommodation.
Okay, everything will be provided by the. Okay, this time try the.
Okay. Should I try using sys or Soumya?
Try assist user. Again, I am afraid. I'm afraid here because it is not giving the. Okay. Can you click on this connect using something like that? Click on that. the drop down list. Connect using, no, not connect as, not connect as,
Okay.
connect using. Are you able to click on that? Oracle
Right.
Client Home. Okay, try Oracle Client 2. Why is showing 2? Okay, try 2, select 2. Okay, and choose databases.
Okay.
Sorry, I mean ORCL.
Okay. Here was right.
Yeah, try the ORCL.
Should I try to connect it?
Yeah. No, see, if everything works here, you will have this green button there. Red. The red shows green.
Here it was now.
Let's see. Okay. Looks like something happened. We all try. See, could not be located. Okay, try with the 10 version. Okay, remove this and try it. Okay, are you getting the same problem, Lavanya, for Lavanya?
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
For the same as our Oracle Toad 12 or with the 10 version?
No, it's a 12.7.
That's all. Okay. Try with the 10.7 here. Okay,
Okay.
remove this and try with the 10.7 and we will see then. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So since the close the toad. Okay, now try to connect with the HR user, HR schema. Okay, so here with the ORCL database, the HR user or schema has to be unlocked and you have to change the password. Okay, so type alter user, not here, not here.
Only there?
Yeah, only
Okay.
there in SQL Developer. Close this window. Yeah,
Okay.
here.
Alter user.
Alter user HR
Identify.
space account. First unlock the account.
Okay.
Alter user HR account space unlock semicolon and then execute this. Right. Now I'll change the password. Alter user HR identified by HR. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Connect to this HR user. Fine. Say select star from tab. Scroll down, scroll down. I don't think you are connected to the HR. Okay, select the last two queries and execute it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, try show user.
Okay. Sys.
Yeah. We have to connect to the HR user. Try again. Connect to HR and select start from tab. Yeah.
Connection created by connection command disconnected.
Okay. Select start from tab.
Sorry?
Yeah. Select start from tab. Do this. No, no, no. You're not connecting to the. What you do is try to execute both the queries. Okay. Remove the above queries. Remove the above queries. Okay. And yeah, try this one. Why it is not getting connected? Okay. Okay, true. Choose the query result one and two. See here, you have a query result one and two. Check the query result two.
It's on result 2 only.
Close this. Close all this. Yeah. I am amazed. Okay. Guys, you have a team viewer. Team viewer installed on your laptop.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you give me the ID, please? Okay. Cancel this. Yeah, team viewer is there. Okay. Yeah. Start the team viewer. See, if everything goes smooth, it will not be so difficult. Initially, we might have to troubleshoot it.
Yeah. It's my ID is 236. I mean, I can you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see. Two
Yeah.
26 170 914. Okay, the password is 8821. This is decline means authentication rejected. You have rejected me.
Oh, sorry.
You rejected me. Sonia, you rejected me. Please accept me. I can try to connect again. All right.
Okay.
You can. It says connection blocked because of multiple failed logins. You can try in 4 seconds. Okay. So
1 second.
let me try
I'll
again. Soumya, you broke my heart. You couldn't disconnect me.
I mean, can you give your ID so that I can?
You want to connect my PC?
Uh,
No, let
no,
it
no.
be. No, let it be. Let it be.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
I'll try again.
Okay.
Okay, I'll type in the password.
Okay. 272.
272.
Trustworthy. Should click on trustworthy, right?
Trustworthy, please, and trustworthy, don't deny me, please. Okay, I can control your computer now. You have the SQL Developer copy or not? Do you have the SQL Developer copy? Hello?
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you
Hello.
now. Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah.
Do you have the SQL Developer copy?
I have only here I think. I mean, I can reinstall it again. No
Okay,
problem.
fine, fine. Actually, just like Windows 7, I'm
It's
seeing,
Windows 10.
yeah, it's Windows 10. Oh, that's why
Yes.
I'm wondering, I have not updated to Windows 10 yet. It's still keeping popping up.
Uh,
So I'm just curious to know the different folders that it has, different application that it has. So if I wanted to see all those apps, okay, I can see here like this way, right?
yes.
Why I'm not seeing Oracle? Okay, Oracle, let's see. All right. Um, okay, get started. Fine. So you see here, this is the one database that you have installed, okay? And this is another database, Oracle database 11G, all right? So if you would like to make sure that the connection is working for you, there is something called, this is the what administration purposes, the DBC, database control. Okay. This is the net configuration assistance. Okay, for ORC it is working, right? And only for the
Yes.
XC it is not working.
Yeah.
So I have to make sure that so this is the listener configuration. Listener means it's an agent, okay, that will
Okay.
work on the database side, which will listen to the upcoming requests from the clients, okay. So now since you have installed the database on the same machine from where you are connecting, so it's like your PC is now the client and the server, okay.
Yes.
And if this database would have been installed on some other server, okay, then you have to use the client and you have to use the appropriate server name to reconfigure the listener. So this is a listener which is
Okay.
already configured here, right? So I will not disturb this. So everything is perfect with ORCL. And only thing that's bothering me is about the Oracle XC, which we are unable to connect to the database via Tor. So I want to see all apps.
Cool.
So this is the same way that we did from the services.msc, okay? We're
Yeah.
doing the same way. So we have few services. I'm just giving a blind attempt. Hopefully this might work. So you update the Windows 10 by yourself or you bought the laptop with Windows 10?
We are pretty addicted.
You upgraded. Wow. How long it takes
Like 1 hour. Like half an hour to 45 minutes.
did you lost any data?
No.
What,
No. No.
and how much space is required?
That we don't know actually, but hmm? If the software updated, it doesn't require any extra space to
Hmm.
install.
Admin, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you
Yeah.
are connected now.
Yeah.
Okay, my friend. So this is your database.
I think we have both the same tables in both the connections, right?
Yeah. We are connected to the XC. For example, we can change the name here just for our understanding. This is would be your XC database, and this would be your
Or
ORCL. Okay.
okay.
Now, how to change this? Let's say ORCL,
Okay.
and let's name this as a
X.
XC. All right. So if you're connecting here, these are tables. Now I'm trying to connect to HR. Okay. See, Soumya and Lavanya. See, we are connected to these tables now.
Yeah.
Okay. So I hope now it will work for the door also.
Okay, we will see.
Let me try give it a try. You see, you have to work patiently, with a cool minded. And then
Mm.
if you start panicking, you lose everything. Then even you can't do what you could, and some things will take some time. This is earlier the toad was like okay. I'm afraid with these two things, these three things with the X mark here.
Mm. Mm.
We actually have a two homes. Oracle client home one, Oracle home two. Maybe we have installed the Oracle client twice.
Oh,
So this one. If we choose direct, password is admin, right?
yeah.
So we are choosing the local host. Port is 1521. Service name is SCXC. Okay, so we are connected now. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, what is the difference between like TNS direct and some other things?
Yeah. See, we are using the network services. okay, to connect to directly. I'll explain you once again. Okay. See here, we were trying to use the TNS. TNS is a service, okay, which will be working at the database side, okay. And if the TNS service is not working properly, you know, which is a networking service or networking agent, okay, then will not be able to connect. So we have other three options available, which is like a direct connection. Okay. In this direct connection, we have an option to give the name of the server where the database is installed. Okay. So for our case, this is our local server. Okay. So it should be a local host. Or else
Okay.
you can also give the IP address here, or
Okay.
else you can give the server which is in a remote location in the US, or could be wherever it is. Sorry, wherever the location in the US. Okay. You shall give the name of that server here, and you can ask for the port number which from the network administrator. Generally, it will be 1521 or some other else port number, and then you will choose the service name or SID, whatever it is. Okay, and then you will
Okay.
connect. Okay, this time we'll try to connect via SID and see if we can.
We try to what's the
I'm sorry, your voice is breaking. Yeah, no, no, your voice is not coming clearly. I'm sorry, I'm not clear. So I hope you are clear with this now, the connections part.
Yeah.
Okay. So we will continue the class tomorrow, and we'll
Yeah,
continue the functions, and I will see some
Okay.
give you some examples here. Okay.
yeah,
With the functions, try on your own, and
Okay.
I shall work on the functions and we'll
Okay.
proceed further.
Okay.
All right, my friend.
yeah.
yeah.
So I wish you a very very happy weekend, and
Yeah.
you have a good time. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Take care.